Hi Prabhu, good morning.
Yes.
What is the last class? Where we stopped the last class?
Last class we discussed exit codes and status codes. Then file test options we have discussed. File
Sorry,
test options.
file,
File test options.
file test operations also completed, right?
Complete.
Hyphen E,
Yes.
hyphen R, hyphen
Com-
X,
hmm.
hyphen F. Exit codes also completed. Just give me 1 minute. Let's see what is our topic today. Just give me 1 minute. Have you tried the programs, whatever I have given you?
I did not practice. Last 3 days I am traveling.
Will not take that much time, right? Exit
Yeah.
codes I have completed, right?
Yeah. Exit course complete.
I have given, I mean, like, try to work on those. Let me share my screen with you. I'll take the class only for 1 hour. Already it is like 9. Okay.
Okay.
I'll take the class maybe 45 minutes or 1 hour, something like that. Okay. In today's class, I'm going to discuss about case, case, case statement. Okay.
Okay.
When we go for case statement, simple, if multiple options are available, then it is not recommended to use nested if else statement. It increases the length of the code and reduces the readability. To handle such type of requirement, we should go for case statement. See, previously when we are taking an example of how to print a favorite cricketer, we are using nested if else, right? And then
Yeah.
uh, ladder if also we are using. We can use that, but it is going to increase the readability is going to be down, and the performance is also going to be down. That is why if you have multiple options, then we should go for case statement. Okay. Syntax for case statement is case variable, in, and then here option 1, and then close the parenthesis, action 1. Okay, action 1, we need to give this semicolon, double semicolon, then same. If you are not speaking, please be on mute. Okay. This is option 2, and then again action 2 will come. Okay. And then if you want to close it, use the semicolon, again option 3, option 4, like that. And there is star, and then this closed parenthesis, and then this is default action. Okay, default action. Uh, Default action also here, the semicolon is optional. Here when you go for the default action, semicolon is optional, but when you are using the option here, option 1, option 2, that time this semicolon is mandatory. Okay. And then if you want to close this one, use the reverse, ESAC, case reverse we should use to close the case statement. This is the syntax of case statement. Okay. Space is optional while defining option. Here we are, I'm using space, right? This is optional. If you want, you can give. If you not, you cannot. If you don't want to give, you cannot mention those things. Semicolon can be used to come out of the case statement. As I told earlier, semicolon can be used to come out of the case statement. Semicolon is mandatory for all of the options except default action. If you take default action at the beginning, then For any input, the same default action will be executed. Default action should be given at the end of the case syntax. It should not be given at the starting. If you give the case statement at the beginning, only the default action will be executed. Okay, that is the explanation about the case statement. Let us see few examples so that you can understand little bit more. Okay, let me log into the machine. Anything you didn't understand in case statement, case syntax?
Yes, sir. The examples I can understand.
We'll complete the case statement today. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let me zoom in. Okay, let me go to CD scripts. Okay, let me clear the screen. What is the last file we have created? Q. Okay. Okay. What there is a script to understand this one. Write a script to read number from 0 to 9 and print its equivalent English number, English word. Suppose if I print 0 here, 0, I should get English word as ZERO, 0. If I print 1, I should get ONE 1, like that. This is my requirement. Okay. Nano r.sh, enter, bash, in bash. Tell me how we can do that. What is the syntax? Case dollar variable I'm declaring as n in. Okay, come down option I should give 0. Okay, perfect. If you want to give space here, you can give like this, else you cannot. If you don't want, you cannot. There is the space is optional. Come down. What is the action? What we should get?
Print 0.
Echo,
Oh, okay. Echo dollar
echo
print
0.
0.
How you can come out of this case? Using semicolon. Same thing, 1. Give colon. Even you can mention here itself. Here, instead of mentioning this thing in the next line, what I will do, I will mention here itself so that you will understand it easily. Okay. Same thing, echo, echo. What is the next one? 1. Okay. If you want to come out, you need to give colon. Next, what is the next one? 2. Echo. What is the thing? We should give 2. Okay, give colon. Like this, you can do it for 10. Let me do it fast. Is it completed now? Hmm?
Yeah. Next
Complete.
we escape. ESCA. End of the line default action. Uh,
What I told the syntax, we should give the default action, right?
action.
The
Yes.
default action was mentioned. Okay, this is the default thing. What I will say, echo Please enter a single digit 0 to 9 only. Okay. Now come out. If you want to give semicolon, you can give. If not, there is this is not mandatory when you are using the default action. Now close it. What is this case? CASC. Okay. ESAC. Okay. Reverse of okay. Now let me save it. Now I have saved. Let me run it on data set. Okay, what it is saying? Please enter a digit from 0 to 9. Just give me 1 minute. 1 second. We need to ask. Just give me 1 minute. May put the laptop charger. We should give, but we didn't give anywhere to input from the end user, right? We forgot to mention that thing. Okay. Here I will say read, read hyphen b, enter a digit from 0 to 9 only, colon, and then I'm going to declare this one as young. Now save it. Now run it again. Enter a digit from, I will enter 8. Okay, it is working. Now enter any number 7. Okay. Now enter, I will enter 19. See, please enter it. It's working fine. Like this, you can use the case syntax. Okay. Okay, next one is write a script that reads a favorite cricketer name and prints a corresponding meaningful message. Same thing. It is very easy. I have showed it with the Kohli, Dhoni, Yuvraj, those things, right? Here, what you can say, read hyphen p, enter your favorite cricketer name, and then you can declare any variable. I'll just do it in the same thing only here itself. Enter your favorite.
Cricket.
If you want cricketer, you can take. If you want wrestler, you can take. Anyone you can take. Okay. I am declaring the name as here, variable as name I am declaring. Here, come down here. Name, you give name here. What you can mention here, instead of here, I will mention Dhoni. Dhoni, echo. You can mention anything you want. He is great captain. Okay. Now come down here. If you want, you can mention here. What you can mention here? Virat. What you can mention for Virat? He is king of era. Okay. Next, any favorite cricketer name? Sachin. He is god of cricket. Okay. Next, any other name?
Yours.
He is fighter. Okay. Who is a fighter?
Yuvraj.
Yuvraj is a fighter. Okay. Like this, you can do it. I am just doing for only few people. I'll just delete for the rest of the things. Okay. I will give the default action here. Okay. What I will enter? There are so many cricketers apart from these mentioned something anything. There are so many cricketers as well. I'm just giving this one. Let me save this one. Then let me run it again. Enter your favorite cricket name. I will enter Dhoni. He is a great captain. Enter your favorite cricket name. I will enter Virat. Like this. Okay. This is how you can do it. That is a second one, a second program. Next one is write a script that accepts a single character and check whether the given character is alphabet or digit or special character. Did you understand the program? Did you understand the question first?
No, no, sir.
Write
No.
a script. Write
Okay.
a script that accepts single character and check whether the given character is alphabet or digit or special character.
Okay.
How you can do that? Do you have any idea? Yes, not sh. Okay, let me open a new file. Let me do it for you. Bin bash. Okay, read hyphen p. Enter single character to single character. Enter single character. I will give this one as n. Okay. Now case $n in. Now tell me. Here we should give the condition here. Instead
Yes.
of n character, right, I will give this one as ch. Okay, variable name ch I will give. Here also what I will do is I will give, here also I will declare the variable as ch. Come down here. Okay, case dollar variable in. Now I need to give the condition. This is the condition: a hyphen z, capital A hyphen z, parenthesis. You can mention here itself. Echo, echo. It is alphabet symbol. Come down, give this colon. What is the next one? Now we found out this is the alphabet. This case is alphabet. Now we need to find the digit. For digit, what is the condition? 0 hyphen
0
9. You
to
can give like, then give this one, and then echo. It is digit. Okay. Next, what is the next one? Special character. If it is a special character, how we can do that? This is the condition to check the special character. Give the pipe symbol here, pipe symbol, and then a hyphen z, a hyphen z, and then 0 hyphen 9. Okay, here you can mention echo. It is a special character. Okay, it is a special character. Now come down, close this one. Default action. If you want, you can mention it here itself. Echo. Please enter single character only. Only give the colon. If you want, you can mention. If you want, you can give the semicolon. If not, I will not give the semicolon. ESAC. Okay. Let me save this one. Now let me run it. Enter single character. I'm entering one. There is a syntax error near line number 10. Where is that? What can you tell me the syntax error? Did you find the syntax error? This is the syntax. Okay. Let me run it again. I will enter digit 1. It is a digit. Perfect. I will enter small a. It is alphabet. It is working fine. I will enter capital. Instead of a, I will enter capital K. It is alphabet. I will enter now special character. I will going to add the rate. It's a special character. Perfect. It is working fine. Okay. This is how you run the, you write the script for that. Okay. Next one is write a script that accepts single character and checks whether it is a digit or special character or vowel or consonant. I'm going to explain the same thing here itself. See, for digit, one second, what it is saying, whether it is a digit or not. We have digit. We have the condition for digit. Okay. For special character also, we have the condition for special character also. We have the condition for special character. Digit is also okay. Now we need to find the vowel. How you can, what are the vowels? I mean, like vowels, you cannot say A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U sounds. We should get the sounds. But we know any word starting with A, E, I, O, U that are vowels. That is not the thing. Any sounds which are going to start A, E, I, O, U, those things are called vowels. Okay. Now here we can mention it. This is vowel here. This it is vowel. Something like this. Okay, we can mention like this. If you another condition we should write, right? What is the other condition? If it is not a vowel, we need to check if it is not a vowel. How we can check that? Give the cap symbol here. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Close the parenthesis here. Echo. It is consonant. Okay. Something like this. Come down here. Okay. Now this is the syntax. Okay. Let me save it. Let me run it again. Okay. Enter digit. I'm entering digit 8. It's a digit. It is working fine. Next I will enter a is it is vowel. I will enter another thing, digit special character. I will enter at the rate. It is a special character, working fine. Again I will enter E, capital E. It is vowel. It is working fine. This is how you write the script to check whether it is what is that? Write a script that accepts a single character and checks whether it is a digit, special character, or vowel or consonant. Okay. Next one is just there are two programs. I'll explain one program and then I will give another program for your uh, what is that as an assignment. There are two programs. I'll read out for you two programs. Tell me which one you want me to explain. First one is write a script. Write a script that performs file operations based on provided options. Suppose you want to display the content, you want to append the content, you want to overwrite the content, you want to delete the content. This is the first program. Second program is write a script that reads two integer numbers and perform required mathematical operation based on the provided option. One for addition, two for subtraction, three for multiplication, four for division. Which one you want?
Sir, a second one, can you explain?
Second one. Sure. Nano qt.sh. Okay. Let me enter in bash. Okay. Okay. We need to perform mathematical operation. If you want to perform mathematical operation, first we need to enter to read -p, enter first number, to colon, sorry, from here we can give n1. Same thing, read -p, enter second number, colon. Perfect. We have declared a dynamic. Now I'm giving just one space just to print something for design purpose. I'm giving this one, something like this. Okay. Now what I will say, this is the thing. Echo. I'm giving here one, something like this. Okay. Addition, operation. These are options. Okay. Echo two 2, we are going to do subtraction. Subtraction operation. Okay. Echo. What is the next one? 3.
One.
For 3, what we are going to do? Multiplication. So if you want, you can give, I mean, like instead of 1 second, let me, instead of giving these 1 2 3 4, let me use ABC like options. Okay, this will be good. Okay, now come down here. This is for division. Okay, okay, now we have given the options. Now we need to enter, suppose like my option, I need to choose the options, right, from given ABCD. For that, what you can do is read -p, choose your option to perform. Okay, choose your option to perform. Choose your option, that is fine. Okay, choose your option. From what are the options? A, B, C, and then D. Okay. I'm declaring another variable here for this one, OPTION. Okay. Now come down here. Now tell me case dollar option in. Tell me if it is in option A, what we need to do?
Addition.
Echo dollar N1 space plus space dollar N2.
N2.
Okay. Space equal to dollar. I'm doing that the mathematical operation using double parenthesis N1 plus N2. Okay. Come out of the, sorry, come out of this one, gives double colon. Now B option we are checking. B, tell me echo. What is the option? Dollar N1
1
hyphen
minus
dollar N2 equal to dollar double parenthesis N1 minus N2. But take it, you should take here N1 should be greater number. If you take N1 smaller number, you are going to get the result, negative result. Okay. Next, what is the next option? C. For C, what is the operation when you should perform?
division.
Dollar N1
Multiplication.
dollar. I have a doubt here. If I use multiplication, it is, I'm not sure whether it is going. Let us see. N1 or N1 into, okay. What is the last operation?
Division.
Oh, dollar. What is the symbol for division?
Percentage.
Percentage modulus, right? Percentage is modulus. That is not. This is the forward
Yes.
slash is the
Order.
symbol. Okay. Dollar double parenthesis. Here, what is the thing? N1. Maybe this is going to fail. I think. I'm not sure. I have the previous batch also. I have tried it. Fail. Let us see. Okay. What is the default one? Default action. We need to
Start.
give default action.
Okay.
Yeah. Instead of giving here, echo, please select your option from given choice only. If you want, you can give semicolon and then ESA. Okay. Now let me run it. Dash. Okay. Enter first number 19. Enter second number 20. Okay. What operation first I need to perform? Mathematical on addition operation. It is working fine. Next again I will do the same thing. Enter 20. I will give 25. Enter second number 43. Next I want to do subtraction. If I do, it is going to give negative number. We'll see what it is going to see. It is giving negative number. It is working fine. Next, what is the next number? 45. Something random number I'm giving. I want to do multiplication. Multiplication is also working fine. If you want to check multiplication whether it is correct or not, let me give small numbers. Okay, 2, 3. I will give 6. 6 is the perfect. It is working fine. Next, division. I'm giving 30 and then I'm giving 5. I'm giving D. It is working. Okay, this is how you write the script. Okay, there is another script. I will give this script for your assignment. Very simple. Okay, write a script that performs file operations based upon the provided option. A is for appending. A is to display the content. B is to append the content. C is to overwrite the content. D is to delete the content. Okay, same similar. I'm going to explain a little bit here. Same like this here. Here we are performing mathematical operation, right? That is why we need a dynamic data to be entered here. Just you can start with echo a display content, echo b
Okay.
append content, echo c content, echo d delete the content, read hyphen p choose your option a b c d option case dollar option in, and then you need to use the logic here, like if you want to suppose, like if you want to first display the content, what is the command we need to use? Cat.
That.
Okay. And then if you want to append the data, you need to use double greater than symbol redirection. If you want to override, you need to use single greater than. If you want to delete the content, what is the thing? Cat slash dev slash del. This is the thing. You need to redirect it here like this. If you want to delete the content, you need to redirect something like this. Cat slash dev slash null, and then you need to file name. What is the file name? You need to redirect it to that file. There is a file already available with this slash dev slash null. That in this thing there will be no content. That is what we are redirecting it to this one. Okay, this is all about case statement. Tomorrow we'll meet again, and then we are going to discuss about iterative statements. Iterative statements, there are while loop, for loop, while, until, and for loop. These three are the iterative loops. Once we complete these iterative loops, the control statements will be completed. After control after control statements, then we are going to see the arrays part. Okay,
Okay.
if possible I will meet today night again. Okay, I will
Yes.
let you know on this.
Uh,
Any questions do you have any questions? If you don't have any questions, we'll close the class.
okay, sir. In iterative statements, what is the while and
While loop, until loop, for loop.
okay.
Any questions?
No, sir. No.
Okay, then bye. Thanks for
Bye.
joining the class. Bye.
Bye.